As AI models grow larger and more capable, compute demand is skyrocketing, especially for enterprise fine-tuning and inference at scale. Enterprise AI factories are transforming how organizations deploy AI, turning infrastructure into a true engine for AI production. PNY AI Enterprise Factory brings this concept to life, delivering a unified, high-performance infrastructure combining NVIDIA RTX PRO Servers, high-speed networking, AI-ready storage, orchestration software, and cooling infrastructure. Visual computing performance for the data center. AI performance starts with compute, powered by NVIDIA RTX PRO Server, built to scale quickly, delivering the performance and efficiency required for modern fine-tuning and inference workloads. AI-optimized storage. AI workflows process huge volumes of data. To fine-tune and run models smoothly in production, enterprises need ultra-fast access to data, enabled by AI-optimized storage and affordable storage for big, unstructured datasets. Next-generation networks for secure AI factories. AI runs on data, and data runs on ultra-fast networks. AI clusters demand ultra-low latency and high-bandwidth connections to move massive datasets quickly between NVIDIA RTX PRO servers and storage nodes. Turnkey solutions: infrastructure plus software. AI infrastructure is more than hardware. It requires orchestration, automation, and lifecycle management to succeed at scale. AI infrastructure solutions for enterprise data centers. PNY provides the complete portfolio of Vertiv solutions for data center infrastructure, supporting both white space and gray space environments. For the AI enterprise factory deployment, air-cooled systems are selected. At PNY, our strength lies in the expertise of our teams. Professionals dedicated to defining the most suitable solutions for every need. We offer end-to-end support, from consulting and project design to follow-up. Our experts are fully equipped to manage and deploy data center projects, ensuring performance, reliability, and scalability. We guarantee product availability directly from stock, helping you move forward without delay. With PNY AI Enterprise Factory, organizations get a scalable foundation built for fine-tuning and inference, simplifying deployment, reducing risk, and accelerating enterprise AI adoption. PNY AI Factory portfolio includes